Kinumpirma ni Philippine Sports Commission Chairperson Patrick Pato Gregorio na isinusulong ang pagpasok ng gymnastics sa UAAP at NCAA bilang collegiate sports. Yan ang report ni teammate Jamaica Bayaca.
Matapos ang makasaysayang 2 Olympic gold medal si Carlos Yulo sa Paris 2024, ang kauna-unahang Pilipinong nagwagi ng multiple gold sa isang Olympics, lumalakas ang panawagan na isali ang gymnastics sa mga major collegiate tournament sa bansa. Ayon kay Philippine Sports Commission Chairperson Patrick Pato Gregorio, inilalapit na sa UAAP at NCAA ang gymnastics at aasahang masasaksihan na ito sa susunod na taon.
Was we talk to the officers and members of the board of the biggest sports tournaments of schools in the Philippines, namely the UAAP and the NCAA. And we told them, how come you do not have gymnastics in the college level sports? They assured me that starting next year, this major tourist school tournaments, universities in the Philippines will now introduce gymnastics as part of the program, and that is really the way to go.
Sa kasalukuyan, ang gymnastics ay masakit na naiiwan sa mga traditional na palaro sa kolehiyo kahit na ang Pilipinas ay may malaking potential sa sports na ito. Kaya naman bukas ang PSC na suportahan na infrastructure, training at grassroots programs para mas maikonekta ang mga batang gymnast sa collegiate system. Nasa halos 20 sports ang opisyal na nilalaro sa UAAP, kabilang na ang basketball, volleyball at athletics. Inaasahang madaragdagan ito sa pagpasok ng mga bagong sports sa mga susunod pang season.
Gymnastics is a beautiful sport. Gymnastics is a sport that the Filipinos can excel in this sport. They just need all the support. Yes, not just support in terms of, I guess, funding from the Philippine Sports Commission, not just funding from the corporate supporters, but news, positive news from our media friends. Because kailangan maintindihan ng Pilipino gaano ba kaganda yung sport na to. It is nice to look at, nice to watch, but it is a difficult sport. But if we can do it again and again, then it will happen. We can develop young athletes.
Jamaica Bayaca para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.